parameter sigma is called, we call rho resistivity. Therefore, sigma is called conductivity. And you need this concept in your homework. That's why I mention it over here. Okay, just add these things in your notes. And the next thing here in this part is called electric power. If we know this one, we can do almost all the calculations for a circuit. And no matter electric power or the formal power, what's the general definition of power? Do you still remember that?
Ability.
Power is what? Power is how fast the work is done, right? Or power is the speed of doing work. That's the meaning. And no matter it's electric or not, it's the same thing.
It's work over time.
Yes, it's how much work you have done divided by the total time it takes. That's the general definition of power. If you use this definition for electricity and making use of a calculus again, we can find a solution for electricity. The solution is the current multiply the voltage. This is the formula for electric power. Oh, but at the same time, this definition is always true. Okay? It's always true.
So is that unit for watts over time, is that kilowatts?
No, it's work
Or work
over
over time?
That's
Is that
ohm.
kilowatts? Or ohms over?
Watt, not kilowatt.
Okay.
No, it's always going to be
It's-
I.
It's anyway a power again, therefore the unit doesn't change. But this time for electricity, it depends on this, therefore it's 1 amp times 1 watt? 1 volts.
Okay.
And this one is the same as what? It's the same as 1 watt. Or as the same as 1 joules per second. Which means so joules per second is the same as this. And maybe Kevin can prove it again.
Hey, can I get extra credit for that?
Okay, if you can work out this,
Oh,
yes.
What about for the
I'll
capacity?
give you additional credit.
All right, okay.
As long as you work out, show us, okay?
All right.
And amps times voltage is the same as joules per second.
This is very confusing when we have capital A for area, capital A for amp. Now it looks like we have P. Looks very
Yeah,
much
that's
like
a bad
same
thing.
It
The
is
letters
confusing.
are not enough in physics. That's why sometimes we move on to Greek letters, to Russian characters, but even though not enough.